welcome back to my channel. I am Sanchita, back on your screen. If you're here for the first time, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Today is the day 10th of the Durga Utsav series, and yes, I have been getting a lot of love from you people with this series. And yes, there has been some misses on the days because I belong to a profession where my month ends are very stressful, and I manage it somehow in a good way, in a positive way. But as we step in today in the month of October, that is the 1st of October, we are just hardly any days left for Durga Puja. So Durga Utsav series will be more regular now, because I know this is that time of the year when the festivity, fun, frolic is all around. But this year, due to Corona and a lot of things happening across the globe, is making us really very sad. But to get out of all the kind of negativity we have around the world, it's best to do something creative, and for that I have my creative tribe here, and I feel that you people will love and support me in this entire process, because this year all we need is positivity. So the look right here you see is a look which I created actually from the past, so you can just name it as a blast from past. So yeah, I have done a little bit of tweaking with the look. I'll just put the look somewhere here so that you can actually know how the look actually was, and from there how much I have taken it forward, or have I not done justice to that. So you can just have a look over that. And without wasting further much of time, let's straight head into the video. And this is going to be a freaking long video, because this entire look took a lot of effort and time to come together. So without wasting further much of time, let's straight head on to the video. To start with, I have already moisturized my skin, and in my previous video also I have used this particular serum. This is actually the Biotique Biodendalian serum. This is absolutely love. If my camera is catching a hold of it, it's absolutely beautiful. It just gives a very finesse to your face, and I am taking it in a little bit of quantity, and I'll just apply it on my face, yeah, properly on my neck area and as well as on my upper lip. Use a primer or so, because today I will not be using any primer, because I am not in a mood to waste a makeup product, because I will not be heading somewhere. But this particular look is very easy and simple, especially if you are going for a date night, you girls, you can go for this. This is a very contrasting thing. So as I've used my dandelion serum on my face, this also acts as a barrier to the skin, and it also fills up a bit of pores. So now I'll straight head on for my foundation, and for my foundation today I'm using my Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation in 300 Sun Beige. So I'll just shake it well, and I'll take it on my palm. I've taken 3 pumps of it. I'll first randomly put it across my face with my fingers. This also gives a very warm thing to your face when you're doing with your finger. I'm taking my beauty blender from the Blue Heaven Cosmetics. This is for 150 rupees, and this is bomb at this price. And this foundation is a very full coverage foundation, and it is like great to go. So that's why I'm just first putting a little bit on each part and then blending up, otherwise it might dry very soon on your face and then it gets very patchy. So first I do one side and then blend it off, and then again I'll put the foundation on the other side. You must have seen it on other YouTuber channels also, that whenever you are blending your foundation, make sure you apply on your ears and as well as on your neck area, otherwise it doesn't look very symmetrical. So now this side of my face is done. I'll just quickly do this side as well. Ensure whenever you're using a beauty blender, just make it very damp so that it does the job properly. Otherwise, if you take a dry beauty blender, it starts giving you marks. I just love the sound of beauty blender. I just love it. If you can get hold of it, this tap. Yeah, so I'm almost done with my foundation. I'll just take my stippling brush from Maybelline New York. I'll just go it once again. Although it's almost done, it's done completely. So yeah. I'll take my current Insight Pro Conceal High HD Channel Foundation. Already my foundation is very pigmented and it is very full coverage, so I don't need too much of concealer on my face, but my eyes are a little bit full of dark circles right now, so I'll just blend it with this. So I have not taken concealer anywhere else. If you want, you can definitely go ahead. I'll take the same beauty blender and first blend my upper lid. Taking this corner of the beauty blender, I'll start blending in the taking a fluffy brush, I'll just powder my under eye areas wherever the concealer is to avoid any kind of creasing. And also a bit of my face, because when you're using a full coverage foundation, I'll just go through the compact one so that there's no creasing around the face. So before I head into my eyes and my face, I'll just quickly do my eyebrows off camera to save a bit of time. So now it's time for the entire face and the eyes. So first we'll contour our face with the Master Contour Palette from the Maybelline. This is just absolutely love, and nothing can be best than this for powder contouring. As of now, I feel if I get hands on something else, I'll definitely let you know. So I start contouring. I'll quickly contour my face on the cheeks, on the jawline, on the forehead. This contouring technique basically gives your face a very nice definition. Generally when you use foundation, it gives you a flatter effect. So I'll just contour my face. I'll also contour my nose today with an angular brush. So wherever you start your contouring, start it from the edge of your eyebrows. This will give you a proper area to contour. So I'll just do it quickly. If you want to know that which are the 5 topmost brushes, an old video of mine, I'll link it over here. You can just definitely check it out. So I'll just put it here. So I'll put it here so that you can just check it out. What are the top 5 brushes for a beginners that you can take? And now with this kind of a brush, if you want to take a fan brush, you can go ahead. I am taking this and I'll just apply it. Once I'm done using this entire product on my face, I will take this Maybelline setting spray and I'll quickly first set my spray. I'll first set my face using a lot of it. I'll just fan it off a little bit. Let it seep in my skin, and then I'll take my beauty blender and I'll just dab it. This technique is like awesome. This also dabs the entire product in your face and also take away the excess product if there is any on your face, like the powder contour or the cream contour. This takes it all away. So I'm done with my face. Now we will head on to my eyes. So my eyes are a little bit creased up because of this entire process. I'll take my eyeshadow brush and dip it in the compact and just put it here, so it will act like a primer on the eyes. So it will also ensure that all the creases which has come up just goes away. So this eye look does not need too much of thing. The only thing which makes it very distinct instantly is the color. So today for this particular look, I am taking this NK's. Is it visible? Yeah, it is. So I'm taking this palette from Nika K Beauty. This is Under the Sea palette and it has some beautiful colors. If you can see, the colors are so pretty. So the entire look, any look you want to make out of this particular palette is a bomb look. So I will be currently using only these 3 colors and the brown color. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So I'm taking this brown color. This brown color will do nothing but only to create a good transition for my eyes. The only minus point of this palette is it has a great fallout, you can see. So we'll fix that as well. But the colors are really very pigmented. A little bit of it does a great job. So I'm just taking the entire brown color on the crease line to create a good definition. Now taking this orange shade on the same brush. This is very pigmented, so be very careful when you are taking it. If you are using this particular palette, you can use any palette of your choice. And slightly from the inner outer corners, I'll just push it in. I'll take a small flat brush like so. I'll just quickly set it with the setting spray. And then from the same palette, I'll take this glittery shade a bit and place it on the lids here. This gives a very entire look, a very foiled look, and you don't need any extra thing. Lash line. So I'll quickly now apply my mascara. And I'm using my absolute favorite, the Hyper Curl Maybelline mascara. You use a falsie, but if you want to be really comfortable, you use what you feel like. Like, I'm not that comfortable with my false lashes, so I go with my mascara, which is my daily thing. I'll just curl it up a bit so that it gives a more vibrant effect. So for my lower lash line, I'm taking this green color, the emerald green color pencil from MUA, the Makeup Academy. This is in the intense glitter green, and I'll just apply it on my lower lash line first to give this a base. Very flat brush, and I'll take this matte green color from the palette and I'll just smudge this color here. On a brush, and take the brown color for the palette and just bring it here so that the entire looks puts up together very well. So I'm taking that brown color only to bring the entire look very together and put together, and not the upper lid different and the lower lid different. This process entirely makes the look very well put together. I'm using my fingers to do the same, and I'll put it here. And use the same highlighters from that palette, from the Maybelline Master Contour palette, with my fingers, and I'll just highlight my brow bone here. Now to give the final touch, I'll put it here. using this Maybelline Super Stay Super Matte Ink Crayon. I've showed it in my previous video. If you have yet not seen that, I'll link it for yourself. So I'll start from the corner of the mouth. So yeah, that's all for today. You have seen how I have turned out the entire look, and if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. The bell button is down below. You can easily hit that, and whenever I upload a new video, you will be updated. And please do not step out of the home if it is not really very urgent, because the virus is very active as of now. And yeah, stay safe, stay at home. Lots and lots of love. Stay blessed.